Let's put headlights in your Hyundai Sonata. Hyundai Sonata. You're gonna need 2 H7 bulbs. Just do both headlights, all right? Just do both of them.
So H7, you can see that. Just wanted to show you the mechanism. It's the one back here. They just come off pretty easy. Main headlamps. And it's a clip and a keyway right in here. I found a place to put my camera, aka phone. So the first thing that needs to come off is this guy. Holds the wires in place right there. Pull that thing out, and this is like super easy to get out. A little harder to get in, easy to get out. So this right here, see that? Just a tab. When you push it, it unhooks from the back there, and boom. Headlight just easily comes right out. Piece of cake. Like that. So, see how it's got this keyhole thing right here on the top? That notches in to the top of here. Like this. And there. Lines right back up in there. That thing just bolts against there. So my wire is kind of caught. There we go. So, push that back and re-hook it. Back in there. Piece of cake. You see that? Just hooks right. And here's how it lined up. Nice. Put that in like that. Piece of cake. Put this back on. And on this side, same deal. Just scoot it up in there in the keyway. You can kind of see, yeah. And just clip it in. Clip it. And then clip in there.
Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!